Good morning. This is Ginny with DS Tech, and I'll be sharing with you today how to color code your personal Google Calendar. It's very cool because I can look at a glance on my phone and see by color what everybody's doing. I don't know if you have a family, it's very handy and it helps a lot. So I'm going to share my screen, and it's very quick and easy to do. You're going to be surprised. So here we are. This is my color coded calendar. I have mine is purple. I have sports as orange. I have my husband's schedule as red. So you see, I have a bunch of them here color coded, and they're on the calendar. So the way you add a calendar, you add a calendar first. That's what you do. So go down here. Add a calendar. Create a new calendar is what you do. You give it a name. I'm just going to call this Kitty's calendar, Kitty's schedule. You create it, and then you go back. After I click here, I click the back button at the top of the screen to go back. And then if I find it, I can give it a different color. So let's make her green. Then if I add something to the calendar, let's say she has to see the vet. Then down here where it says Ginny and it's purple, I click it. Whoops, not the color, sorry. I want to put it on Kitty's schedule. Save. There. Now I have a green appointment for Kitty, an orange one for sports, and then this is in the past, these faded colors, but you get the point, right? That's how you color code your Google Calendar. Super easy, super quick, right? So if you're a business owner, make sure you go to our website, dstech.net, and grab your free security assessment, because we'll look at the holes in your network and stuff like that and help you out with security on your network and securing your data. So make it a great day. I'll see you next week, and hopefully we'll have Dave and Aaron on to help us out with some more security tips. All right, catch you later.